How to fix Instagram voice message voice effects not showing 2026. DM voice filters fix. You recorded a voice note on Instagram. You are looking for the voice effects button, and it is simply not there. Super frustrating, especially when you see other people using it. In the next 2 minutes, I will walk you through exactly why this happens and every fix step by step. Let us get into it. Welcome back, I am Daniel, and today we are solving the Instagram DM voice effects not showing problem completely in 2026. Let us go. First, what are Instagram voice effects? Instagram officially launched AI voice effects for direct messages in March 2026. It is powered by Meta AI and lets you apply fun voice filters to your voice notes before sending them in DMs. The 9 currently available effects are chipmunk, demon, alien, robot, underwater, stadium, wobble, fishbowl, and giant. Once you send a voice note with an effect, the recipient can see which one you used and reply with the same effect automatically. Now here is the most important truth to understand first. Because this feature launched in mid-March 2026, it is still rolling out globally in phases by region and by account. This means even if you do everything correctly, your account may simply not have received access yet. That is completely normal, and it will appear automatically without you needing to do anything extra. However, before you wait, work through all these fixes first because your issue may be something fixable right now. Fix 1. Update your Instagram app immediately. This is the single most common reason voice effects are not showing. Go to the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Instagram, and install any available update. Voice effects require the very latest version of Instagram to appear. After updating, fully close the app and reopen it before testing again. Fix 2. Make sure you are looking in the right place. Voice effects only appear inside direct messages, not in stories, not in reels, not anywhere else in the app. Open Instagram, tap the paper plane icon in the top right corner to go to your DMs. Open any chat, then tap and hold the microphone icon to record a voice note. After you finish recording, release the microphone and look for the effects icon that appears in the message composer area. If you were looking anywhere else, that is why you could not find it. Fix 3. Clear the Instagram app cache. On Android, go to your phone settings, tap apps, find Instagram, tap storage, and hit clear cache. Then reopen Instagram and try recording a voice note again. A corrupted cache is one of the most common reasons new features fail to load properly even on updated apps. Fix 4. Log out and log back in. Tap your profile picture, go to Settings, scroll down and tap Log out. Then log back into your Instagram account. This refreshes your account credentials and forces Instagram to reload all your available features, including any new ones that have been assigned to your account. Fix 5. Check your internet connection. Instagram's voice effects are processed in real time using Meta AI, which requires a stable and reasonably fast internet connection to work properly. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and test the voice effects again. A weak or unstable connection is a common reason the effects icon either does not appear or fails to load after recording. Fix 6. Uninstall and reinstall Instagram completely. If none of the above fixes have worked, delete Instagram from your device entirely. Go to your official app store, reinstall the latest version, log back in, and test voice effects again. A completely fresh install resolves deep app glitches that updating alone sometimes cannot fix. Fix 7. Check your region. Instagram confirmed that AI voice effects launched globally, but the rollout is happening in waves by country. If you are in a region that has not received the feature, yet none of the above fixes will make it appear immediately. In this case, the only solution is to wait for your region's rollout, which is continuing throughout 2026. Fix 8. Check your account type. Some business and creator accounts have reported receiving the voice effects feature later than personal accounts. If you are using a professional account, try switching to a personal account temporarily and check if voice effects appear there first. Pro tip: once your voice effects are working, always preview your voice note before sending it. After recording, tap each effect to hear exactly how your voice sounds with that filter applied before you commit to sending. Some effects like demon and alien can make your words harder to understand, so always listen back first, especially for longer voice notes. Keep your voice notes short and punchy. Under 15 seconds works best with voice effects applied. So to recap, update Instagram immediately, make sure you are inside DMs, clear your app cache, log out and back in, check your internet connection, reinstall if needed. And if none of that works, simply wait for your region's rollout. Work through all those steps and your voice effects will be showing in no time. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram fix tutorials every week. Did the fix work for you, and which voice effect is your favorite? Drop it in the comments below. It has been Daniel. See you in the next one.